So as you know, we're making a spooky basket. I'm looking for mugs or cups to put in like the basket. I really want like a plastic cup, but I really don't see any like fall themed plastic cup. There's this mug. I think I'm gonna get this one. I think this is the best one I've seen so far. I also need a headband to make the whatchamacallit, the earmuffs, but this is the only one that I found that's like there. And it's kind of like flimsy and skinny. Section. Let me show y'all what I picked up. I picked up this just to give the basket some oomph, some color, some love. And then this, I also got a cup and a mug. And then I just need tissue paper and a basket and probably some candy. Let's just dance. Okay, we're hearing Jones. I want it to be like I want the earmuffs to be kind of like a brownish inside or orangish inside with like a cream outside. I don't know if I should get this because it's just like one. And then I guess, how many yards is this? 10 ounces, 200 and something yards. Should I get this or this as one? I feel like it's gonna be hard to get both earmuffs to look the same, so I'm probably just gonna get these two. Now what else did I come in here for? Baddies! Pose for me. Okay. Let's shh, girl. We decenter in. Let me show y'all what I got. Again, even though y'all went to the store with me, I got this basket. I got these peeps. This little pumpkin. Did I tell you that I got this basket? I got this basket. I really wanted something bigger. I got a tumbler. Now I'm probably gonna make like a, you know what I'm talking about. You know a cup holder, or like not a coaster, but like something that you put it on to make sure that your hands either isn't cold or hot. I got these headbands. I wish I could find one that was thicker, but all the ones that were thicker, they had something on them, and I didn't want to, you know, stress myself out about it. So that's that. I got the mug. Now I don't know if I should include the mug or the, you know, in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if I should include the mug or the tumbler cup. Is that considered a tumbler? Don't know. Some fluffy stuff, some tissue paper, and some rubber scrunchies, so that I can make the scrunchies. Okay, so I ended up going back to Dollar Tree to get a headband, a different headband. I just exchanged the other one that I had, and this had like some pink like ribbon around it, and I just ripped it off because the other one was like a little flimsy. Now granted, this does look like it's for a little girl, but it could work. It could definitely work. I seen one girl, she was wrapping it. This is what the headband looks like with the yarn on it. It's cute. It looks like one of those Little House on the Prairie headbands, I guess. So this is how far we're going along. She's cute. It's like a little pumpkin pie head thing. This is cute. This is cute. Now it isn't fitting on my head because of my hairstyle, but trust me, if we had a bust down middle part, she would be eating the girls up right now. Let me. So I'm just gonna make the other one, and let me show you how I made it. So I started off with a magic circle. Not only is a man in the closet, but the man is a magic. Sorry. Sometimes you have to let your intrusive thoughts win. So I chain 2. Wait, you can chain 2 or you can chain 1. The chain 2 kind of makes it look a little more spaced out. But yeah. So I'm placing 10 half double crochets into the circle. 2, 3. And now I'm going to close off my circle, slip stitch into the very first stitch, chain 2 or chain 1, and then I'm going to put 2 half double crochets into every stitch. I finished doing 2 half double crochets into every stitch, and now I'm going to connect my white yarn to my orangish brownish yarn by just tying a simple knot. I've also seen people what have I seen people do? I've seen people like burn the, or melt, we won't say burn, melt the fluffy yarn together, so it's kind of like it's like fused together, so it has less chance of coming undone. But for this next row, I just chain 1 or 2, whichever one you want, and then I do 1 half double crochet into every stitch, and that's how I get kind of like the bend in the headphone or the earmuffs. Okay, so the pumpkin spice earmuffs are done. That's what the name that I just came up with. They're done. They are cute. Now I would say, like, I would probably make these again, but I wouldn't make them with the headband. I would opt for the other one where you just tie it around your neck or whatever. The basket. Now I'm going to make the regular headband. The headband? I mean hat. It's just a black and white hat. It's just a black and white. Black and orange, oh my gosh. Throw myself for a loop here. It's just a black and orange hat. So let me go get that. Okay, so I'm going to be using these 2 yarns. They're both from Loops and Threads. This, oh, look, I love when I'm going pick up a ball of yarn that I've been using before and I find one of my tools. I have a bunch of these floating around right now. Now I'm going to be making a hat. 60, I'm probably gonna do 60 rows. 60 rows divided by 2, 30 of each color. So I'm gonna do orange, orange, black, black, orange, orange, black, black, orange, orange, black, black. So let's get started. So I made a chain of 40, and now I'm going to go into the back loops doing, do I want to do half double crochets, or I'm gonna do half double crochets? Half double crochets, because that's gonna make the hat more secure, more secure, more demure. I'm just kidding. More warm, because I feel like if you do half double crochets, if you do double crochets, then you have like more open space. If you're a beginner, you may want to put like a stitch marker at the top and the bottoms, because sometimes you end up adding extra rows because you're not placing your last half double crochet into the right stitch. Okay, so I finished the hat. This is the hat. So far what I have for the basket is a hat, the pumpkin spice earmuffs, and now I'm going to make I was deciding between hand warmers, cup warmer or cup holder, like, you know how you put it over your cup to make sure it don't burn your hand or it's not too cold, And what else did I say? Make a candy corn scrunchie now. Oh, here is the yellow. I'm not gonna go yellow first. I'm just going to chain 1, chain 2, make sure it's a little snuggy. Oops, you cannot see. I'm sorry, I'm not showing you. Number, I'm literally just gonna do double crochets all the way around until the scrunchie is filled up. And then the next row would be 2 in every stitch, and then the next row after that would be 2 in every stitch. And depending on how you how roughly you want your scrunchie to be, you just keep putting 2 in every stitch, or you could do 3 in every stitch, but I feel like you just have to keep it consistent. Okay, so the next thing that I'm making, guys, is like a tic-tac-toe board, but I'm crocheting it. Oops, I dropped the thing a little bit. The next thing I'm making is a tic-tac-toe board, but I'm crocheting it, and I was doing it in half double crochets just to make it go a little faster, but it's like, it has, you know, when you do half double crochets or double crochets, you get that see-through look. But I'm thinking to myself, like, when people order it and I want to like mass produce it, this isn't like something that you would wear, so it doesn't really matter whether it looks knitted or crocheted. So I'm gonna transfer it from doing crochet to doing it on the knitting machine. Okay, guys, this is the Boo Basket, the spooky basket. There's a candle, there's a hair tie, some candy, some meeps, some scarecrows. These are not scarecrows. What are these? Scarecrows? Scarecrows. Crows. Is a crow, and a scarecrow is this? Maybe. I think my brain is working. The hat is back here, the like black and orange pumpkin hat. The little tumbler cup, it's not little, but the tumbler cup, and also the earmuffs. So this is like a pumpkin pie earmuffs, and also there's a pumpkin in here, and there is this candy pouch that you can either use for trick-or-treating, or you can also use it as a tic-tac-toe board, because there's little pieces inside of that bag that I made so you can play tic-tac-toe on it. If you're interested, if you think this is a good idea, let me know down below if you would make something like this. And honestly, I think it's a good idea. Honestly, I do. Just, you know, make this for your significant other, or you can go in the link below and you can purchase one from me either on Etsy or on my website. But if you go on my website, you might just be able to get yourself a very small deal, you know, maybe some 10% off, maybe some 15% off. I don't know what's on the website. You're gonna have to go see for yourself. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I love you so much. I see you in another one. Bye.